Greetings, and now we are going to see how we can make uh, the learning content using PowerPoint. In my actual conversation with you, I had shown you these slides, and now as you can see in PowerPoint, I have made these slides. I have put in some text, that is, we are going to learn about simultaneous equation, and I have put in one equation. In this entire equation is two columnar format. Just to show you how the two column format is made, it is just you have to copy the text into the text box, and you have to go here. Now this is home tab, and in that home tab, add or remove columns. So you just have to say two columns over here or one column in here. You can say two columns so that it comes like this in two columns. Now when we are saying that we have to show this one by one, so what you have to do is you have to use animation feature of PowerPoint. So go to animation, go to any feature. You can take float in or fly in. So once you do that, okay, once you do that, let's take fly in, which is quicker. So once you do that, you will understand that this has come one, two, three. Generally, when you say fly in for the entire content, it gives you, wait, it gives you one, 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 one. What you have to do is you have to just say go and on click, then it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Otherwise, if you say appear, this is going to appear like this, or let's say none first, and now let's say sorry, let's say fly in, but now it has taken. So this is how you do this, and then if you check it, you can see this is coming one by one, but this is coming first, so this is wrong. So what you have to do is, now as this has come first and this is two, so go to add animation or animation pane. So animation pane, you can see the diagram content. What you have to see a diagram, you have to get it down. So put it, just drag it down. So now all other things will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the diagram will be coming live. Let's check it out how it will look. Go to PowerPoint presentation, and then you can see. Okay, fine. Now this is ready to be explained. I mean, now your PowerPoint is ready for actual content, actual video making. So now what you have to do is go to slideshow. This is and then go to record slideshow. Okay, so when I press record slideshow, it generally gives you this. Okay, so right now I'm in the first slide, and now you can see my video is also present. So this is the button where you can turn in your camera on and off, or your, if you don't want your voice, if you want to turn camera preview off. Okay, so this can be made off as well, but it's good that the one who is giving presentation should be visible. So this is how you can do it. So now when I'm talking to students, now I'll start giving my presentation. It's how the once you, this is the button from which the PowerPoint will start recording. So when you press this, it'll give 3 2 1. Good afternoon, students, and today we are going to learn about simultaneous equations. Let's see how what equations we have. So today we have two equations given. That is, first is x plus y is equal to 4, and second is 2x minus 5y. You have to press your mouse button to get these things going, and this is how you can record your entire conversation with student. You can stop it here. You just say stop. Now, how the conversation has gone, you can just check with play. Equations we have. So today we have two equations given. That is, first is x plus y is equal to 4, and second is 2x minus 5y. You have to press your mouse button to get these. So you saw that how you have to show the equations. Now once you have done this, just close this, go to PowerPoint again, file, export, and create video. Now once you can create video, HD video, full HD and all. So you take just take standard video because it can go on mobile as well, and just say create video. Now once you press this button, you will be asked the file name of this. I have given one file name, that is maths equation 1. I'll say save. Okay, now once I save this, you'll see Saving is going on over here. Okay, so saving is going on over here. Put it down. Let's see. So this is maths 1 equation. Let's see how the video has come. Good afternoon, students, and today we are going to learn about simultaneous equations. Let's see how what equations we have. So today we have two equations given. That is, first is x plus y is equal to 4, and second is 2x minus 5y. You have to press your mouse button to. So you saw this, that how the video has been made. Now there are various uses of this which I've already told you in our online session, that you can prepare an entire lecture using this technology. You can use a smaller content which can be given on WhatsApp to the students who are absent. So my request is to please use PPT for the beautiful content making. Get beautiful slides on it, and then you can make the content for your subject. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please make your own content. You can make a YouTube channel out of it. You can send it to students who are absent. You can create your own library of the entire year what you are teaching. So this is very useful information. Thank you so much.